Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have seen some examples by using the formula slope-intercept and slope point form. Today, in this video, we are going to learn derivation of the formula two-point form and intercept form with examples. Let us recall the formulas which we have seen in the previous class, that is equation of a straight line. First we see equation of a horizontal line. If a straight line lie on x-axis, then the equation of the line is y is equal to 0. If a straight line parallel to x-axis, that is parallel to above the x-axis, then the equation is y is equal to k. Suppose if it is parallel to below the x-axis, then the equation y is equal to minus k. Here k is a constant y coordinate. Next we see equation of vertical lines. If a straight line lie on y-axis, then the equation of a straight line is x is equal to 0. If a straight line parallel to y-axis, that is right to y-axis, x is equal to c, or if it is parallel to left to y-axis, x is equal to minus c. Here c is a constant x coordinate. Next we see the equation of non-vertical line. It has 4 different types. If a straight line cuts at y-axis with the slope m, that is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. What is the given in this form? Yes, slope m and y-intercept c is given, means then the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. The next one, point slope form. That is, if a straight line passing through the point x1, y1 with the slope m, then the equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let us see the third heading, two-point form formula derivation. First you draw the first quadrant and mark it x, x-axis, y-axis, origin. Let L be a straight line, that is non-vertical line. Let A x1, y1 B x2, y2 be two given distinct points. Slope of this line is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are the given for this form. Now you have to write the given. Let A x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 be two given distinct point, that is different points. slope of the line passing through these points is given by m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x2 not equal to x1. Now let us see the formula derivation. We know that the equation of a line in point slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. In this formula, you have to apply the given slope, that is y minus y1 is equal to slope, given slope y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Now, you have to separate the y coordinate and x coordinate, means we get y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula in 2-point form. Therefore, the equation of the straight line passing through the point A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, then the equation of the straight line AB is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for 2-point form. Now, let us see the fourth heading, intercept form. First you draw first quadrant, x-axis, y-axis. Let PQ be a line meeting x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Let the distance of OA is A and the distance of OB is B. Therefore, the coordinate point of A is A, 0 and coordinate point of B is 0, B. Let us do the formula derivation. First you write the given, let PQ be a line meeting x-axis at A and y-axis at B. Let OA is equal to A, that is the distance of OA is equal to A and OB is equal to B. The distance of OB is equal to B. Then the coordinate of A and B are a comma 0 and 0 comma b respectively. We know that the equation of a line in two-point form is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Then the equation of the line AB is A point a comma 0 and B point 0 comma B. Let us keep x1 y1 x2 y2. Now you have to apply these points in this formula, means we get, that is y minus 0 by y2 b minus 0 is equal to x minus x1a by x2 minus x1 0 minus a. Now you have to simplify this, means we get y by b is equal to x minus a by minus a. That is y by b is equal to, separate the common denominator, means we get x by minus a by plus minus a by minus a. Minus minus cancel and a also cancel and get 1. Now you bring this term before the equal, means it becomes plus, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the formula in intercept form. Intercept form. The word intercept is nothing but the coordinate point lie on x-axis or y-axis. This is the equation of the straight line in intercept form. We have to do some examples by using these formulas. Let us see the example 5.23. See the question. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the points 5, minus 3 and 7, minus 4. Question. A line passing through the points are given. We have to find the equation of the straight line. Then means which formula we have to apply? Yes, 2-point form. That is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. First you draw the fourth quadrant and plot the given points. Now join these points, means we get a straight line. Here we have to find the equation of the straight line. Let us do the solution. Let the given points be a 5, minus 3 and b 7, minus 4. The equation of a line in 2-point form. form is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Therefore, the equation of the straight line AB is, take down and write the given point, A 5 comma minus 3 and B 7 comma minus 4. Let us assume x1 y1, x2 y2. Now you have to substitute these points in this formula, means we get y minus y1 minus 3, so minus into minus plus 3 by y2 minus y1, that is minus 4 minus into minus plus 3 is equal to x minus x1 5 by x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 5. Now you have to simplify this, means we get y plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to x minus 5 by 2. Now you have to cross multiply this, means we get 2y plus 6 is equal to minus x plus 5. Now you have to write this equation in the standard form, means we get x plus 2y plus 6 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now take down and write the previous step, x plus 2y plus 6 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you have to simplify this, means we get the equation x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Hence the equation of the line AB is x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the next example. Let us see example 5.24. See the question. Two buildings of different heights are located at opposite sides of each other. If a heavy rod is attached joining the terrace of the buildings from 6, 10 to 14, 12, find the equation of the rod joining the buildings. In this question, 2 points are given. By using these points, we have to find the equation of the straight line. Then means we have to apply the formula 2-point form, that is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Let us see the given diagram. See the diagram. These are the two buildings. A heavy rod is joining these two buildings. Then the joining points of the rod is 6, 10, 14, 12. Let us assume these points A and B. Now we have to find the equation of the rod, that is we have to find the equation of the straight line AB. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given. Let A 6, 10, B 14, 12 be the points denoting the terrace of the buildings. The equation of a line in 2-point form is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Now, the equation of the rod joining the point A 6, 10, B 14, 12 is, let us assume these points x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, you have to substitute these points in this formula, means we get the equation, that is y minus y1, y minus 10 by y2 minus y1. 12 minus 10 is equal to x minus x1, 6 by x2 minus x1, 14 minus 6. Now, you have to simplify this, means we get y minus 10 by 12 minus 10, 2 is equal to x minus 6 by 14 minus 6, 8. Now, take down and write the previous step. Now, you have to cross multiply this, means we get 8y minus 80 is equal to 2x minus 12. Now, you have to bring this step in standard form, that is 0 is equal to 2x minus 8y minus 12 plus 80. Therefore, 2x minus 8y plus minus 12 plus 80 means we get plus 68 is equal to 0. Here 2 is a common factor. So, you take out 2 means we get x minus 4y plus 34 is equal to 0. You transpose this 2 after the equal means it becomes a division, that is 0 divided by 2 also 0. Then the equation is x minus 4y plus 34 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Hence, equation of the rod is x minus 4y plus 34 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Next, we move on to the example 5.25. See the question. Find the equation of a line which passes through 5, 7 and makes intercept on the axis equal in magnitude, that is x-intercept and y-intercept both are equal but opposite in sign. Then means if you take the x-intercept A means y-intercept is minus A, that is opposite in sign. Here, the required equation of the straight line passing through the point is given and intercept condition also given. We then means which formula you have to apply here? Yes, intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let us do the solution. let the x-intercept be A and y-intercept be minus A. The equation of a line in intercept form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Here you have to apply the given intercept, that means that is x by A plus y by minus A is equal to 1. Next step, you have to multiply plus into minus, means we get x by A minus y by A is equal to 1. Now take A as a common denominator, x minus y is equal to 1. Now you have to cross multiply this, means we get x minus y is equal to A. This is the equation of the straight line. Let you keep this equation number 1. Since the equation 1 passes through the point the point 5, 7. Let us assume this point x, y. Now you have to substitute these points in this equation, means we get the value of A, that is 5 minus 7 is equal to A. You have to apply this A value in equation 1, means we get x minus y is equal to minus 2. Then the standard form of this equation is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, the required equation of the straight line is x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the example 5.26. See the question. Find the intercepts made by the line 4x minus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. In this question, equation of the straight line is given. We have to find the intercepts. Then means you have to find x coordinate and y coordinate, that is x-intercept and y-intercept. Then means which formula you have to use? Yes, intercept form, that is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given equation of the given line is 4x minus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0. The equation of the line in intercept form is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now you have to bring the given equation in the form of x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Therefore, first you transpose the constant term after the equal, means we get 4x minus 9y is equal to minus 36. Well, in the formula, we have after the equal 1. Then means you have to divide this equation by minus 36. You divided by minus 36 on both sides. Then we get 4x by minus 36 minus 9y by minus 36 is equal to minus 36 by minus 36. Now you have to simplify. This means we get 1 4 is 4, 9 4s are 36, that is minus 9. Here 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36, that is minus 4. Here 6 and minus 36 cancel and get 1 plus 1. Now you have to write x by minus 9. Here minus into minus plus y by 4 is equal to 1. Let us keep this first equation. Now comparing first equation with the intercept form, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 means we get x intercept a is equal to minus 9, y intercept b is equal to plus 4. This is the answer for this question. Okay students, today homework exercise 5.2 7th sum. Do this sum by using 2-point form. Do it properly and thank you.